Hello, I am recording on this new camera. I do not have the active track going and I don't have the microphone. Okay, let's put on active track. Now I am actively tracking. Let's see if the microphone pairs. I haven't charged it. Oh, I think it's connected. Okay. Oops. Get out of here. Now I'm tracking and I also have a microphone. Dun 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 dun. What else can I do? Can I switch to vertical while I'm doing this? Oh no, it doesn't change. What else can I do? Okay, turn off the active track. Now I'm not tracking, but I can be like, oh look. Look at all these things. Oh my. Oh, do you want to see the wall? That's the wall. Isn't that a nice wall? Look at me. Let's track. Donna, 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 donna. What if I move far away? I'm like, hello, I'm Victoria. Welcome to my vlog. Donna, donna, donna. Donna, donna, donna. Oh, it lost me. Donna, donna, donna. Okay, I can't sprint. What if I turn my back and move? Did it see me? What if I turn my back here? And I'm like, don, don, don. Did it follow me? Oh, it did. Cool. Okay, stop tracking.